Inadequate training. Inadequate training, particularly during the critical puppy socialization period, can result in reactivity issues later. Negative experiences. Negative experiences such as a fight with another dog, a traumatic vet visit, or harsh punishment can lead to increased reactivity. Inconsistent routines. Inconsistent routines can induce stress, leading to increased reactivity. Lack of socialization. If a dog isn't adequately socialized, exposed to various environments, experiences, beings, they may react out of fear or unfamiliarity.